Welcome back to the show, guys. In case you're just tuning in, we're in 3 Miles in Kingston. Now, it was another edition of Blues on the Green at Emancipation Park in New Kingston, put on by the U.S. Embassy here in Jamaica. Fantasia, Romain Virgo, and Jesse Royal rocked the stage, and we have the highlights. Let's check it out.
This is the 24th year that we are staging Blues on the Green. It's an opportunity for us to really show the ties between our two countries. And this year, we wanted to go bigger.
We couldn't be happier to be co-presenting tonight's concert with Respect Jamaica. We wholeheartedly endorse Respect's message that all fellow citizens, regardless of color, creed, gender, sexual orientation, class, or disability, deserve respect and the opportunity to fully contribute to this great community here in Jamaica.
Emancipation Park, are you ready? Let's enjoy a good taste of reggae with Jesse Royal.
Be my space, however you repent all dirty Babylon. Babylon need it, make relax and what's in us, you know you're not easy, dirty Babylon, yes, sleazy. Babylon need it, make relax and what I won't be long, people that in that go, as I called into plan, for any when me spring up I go broken down. People need the rhythm and the vibration, whether straight mix arena, I may say finally, the whole of we can go puffy in a breeze, and we know at the running from no police, said I was waiting, guys, and I was to show you, hey, so why you do, run them out there, yeah, from your realize them on, fan up of them a back up by us, all hypocritical two side last, we call them modern day, the spreaders of, what's up? It was a lovely, lovely performance tonight. It was nice to be invited here alongside Fantasia and the great Romain Virgo. You know what I mean? So, as I said, it was a pleasure to be able to come here and inject my energy into this beautiful crowd too. You know what I mean? So, tops after them is a beautiful show. The stage sounds sweet, so it was nice. You know what I mean?
You're beautiful to resist. You're more than wonderful. Yes, every day is bliss. Yes, you're way too beautiful. How could I resist your love? I'm gonna test your skills right now. Watch it. Listen. Make sure on the ground. Oh yes, I'm in a doom. If you believe in love, one more time, exclamation point. Oh yes, you're ready for my baby's all alone. Oh God, don't want no waste no time. Oh, I want to go easy. Yes, well anytime the rain is falling, I'm your love doctor. Call me anytime you need me. I know you like it. I wanna kiss you on your lips. I'm your love. Call me. Girl, just have in it.
A wonderful event. I mean, a whole heap of people like never expect this, you know. But at Emancipation Park, you know, and it's open for the crowd, you know, and it's such a good feeling to be on the same stage, you know, with some talented artists, very very talented, extremely talented artists like Jesse Royal, you know, and Fantasia, and it's really a blessing, man. And, crowd, you know, every single song we sing, you know, we try to give them a mixture of everything, a little bit of, you know, from when we just start out, from like Rising Star days, we give them a little bit of that. We give them some of the first and second album, you know, and a little bit of the idea of what we have coming on the third album, you know. So, you know, in 20 minutes, you know, which is kind of hard to do. They wanted us to do 4 songs, but we try to just, you know, cut them short and make sure everybody get a little bit of, you know, everything that, most of the things that we do.
Which one of us gonna be the man of the house? If you gonna be the man, then be the man. 'Cause if you can't, baby, I can be in the dark. Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, got me staring out the window. Which one is top or side? Say what's the reason why? Hey baby, so baby, so what you know? Just a little, I know you know me, and I don't give a thing.
Fantasia gave us her thoughts on the final season of American Idol. Let's listen up.
It ran a good 15 years, which is a blessing, you know. But it was an opportunity to give a lot of people the chance to be heard. And I thank God for this. Sad is leaving. I'm hoping it comes back. But if it comes back, they're going to have to bring back Simon, Paula, and Randy.
What, you're not going to be a judge?
I would if they asked me.
A Caribbean video, a salute to Barrington Levy, and we roll out the Magnum Top 10 charts all when we get back after our third commercial break.